Number 1. 1967 Plymouth Belvedere 2 318, $3,500, Woodville, Wisconsin. This 1967 Plymouth Belvedere 2 is offered for $3,500 in Woodville, Wisconsin, and shows 126,000 original miles. It is powered by a 3 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a Chrysler 727 automatic transmission. The engine starts, runs, and shifts, and the power steering works well. The car was also equipped with factory air conditioning and recently received a new aluminum radiator, fuel tank, fuel pump, starter, and battery. The body panels are described as solid with intact trim and good glass, except for the missing driver's side window. The wheels have been powder coated, but the car currently has no brakes, and the interior is sun-damaged and will need restoration. Overall, it appears to be a solid Mopar project with good potential. Number 2. 1963 Studebaker Lark, $3,950, Topeka, Kansas. Located in Topeka, Kansas, and priced at $3,950, this 1963 Studebaker Lark is a running and driving classic compact sedan. It is powered by the original 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. The odometer shows just over 63,000 miles, which the seller believes to be accurate. The body reportedly has minimal rust, and the car still rides on its stock steel wheels with good tires. While the engine runs, one cylinder has low compression, meaning future mechanical work may be required. The Studebaker Lark represents one of the final American-built Studebaker models and remains an interesting and affordable classic for enthusiasts or restoration projects. Number 3. 1978 Buick Electra, $2,000, Knappa, Oregon. This 1978 Buick Electra sedan is offered for $2,000 in Knappa, Oregon, and shows around 70,000 miles. It is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, representing the traditional American full-size luxury sedan. The car has been sitting for several years and currently does not run due to a lack of ignition spark. The seller also noticed an oil leak after changing the oil. The title is missing and the car will be sold with a bill of sale, making it an inexpensive restoration project for fans of classic Buick luxury cars. Number 4. 1972 Mercury Comet, $2,000, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1972 Mercury Comet is listed for $2,000 in Grants Pass, Oregon, and reportedly shows 43,000 miles. It is equipped with a 302 cubic inch V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. The seller states the car runs and drives well and was originally intended for a full rebuild project. With simple mechanical components and V8 power, this Comet could be an affordable classic car project. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet Nova, $1,750, Van Nuys, California. Offered for $1,750 in Van Nuys, California, this 1978 Chevrolet Nova is a project car showing about 90,000 miles, although the odometer is broken. It has a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, and the engine reportedly runs. The car is currently not drivable because the brake master cylinder has been removed. The interior has been removed, but all parts are included. With a solid body and clear California title, it could be a good starting point for a restoration or V8 street build. Number 6. 1977 Ford Thunderbird, $3,000, Austin, Texas. This 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is available for $3,000 in Austin, Texas, and shows 34,530 miles. Powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, the car runs and drives but needs cosmetic restoration. Thunderbirds of this era were known for their large size and comfortable luxury styling. The car has a bonded title that will clear in 2027, but it still offers a solid base for a restoration. Number 7. 1962 Ford Falcon wagon, $4,500, Chico, California. Located in Chico, California, this 1962 Ford Falcon wagon is priced at $4,500. It is powered by a 1 70 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine with a C4 automatic transmission and reportedly runs very well after a recent overhaul. The body is described as straight and the car shows about 63,000 miles, although the exact mileage is unknown. It carries a salvage title, but could still make a practical and enjoyable classic driver. Number 8. This 1976 Saab 99 GL sedan is offered for $2,400 in Erie, Colorado, and shows 194,768 miles. It features a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and front-wheel drive, a layout typical of Saab engineering. The car was stored for about 20 years before the current owner repaired wiring damage, rebuilt the fuel injection distributor, installed new fuel injector lines, and added a new battery. It has been repainted in metallic copper, and the interior features leather seats and updated materials. The Saab 99 is known for its durable construction and unique design, making it a distinctive European classic. Number 9. 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $7,900, Fayetteville, Arkansas. This 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle is offered for $7,900 in Fayetteville, Arkansas. It features a manual transmission and approximately 80,000 miles, though the odometer is not working. Finished in a custom paint color, the car is described as a unique example. Super Beetles are known for improved suspension and the reliable air-cooled Volkswagen engine, making them popular and easy-to-maintain classic cars. Number 10. 1970 Chevrolet Nova 2-door Coupe 350 V8, $8,900, Riverside, California. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova 2-door Coupe is offered for $8,900 in Riverside, California. It features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and shows 86,000 miles. The engine will start when fuel is sprayed into it, suggesting the fuel system may require service after sitting in storage. The floors and trunk are described as solid, and the car includes all exterior moldings stored in the trunk. Aside from small rust areas under the front fenders, the car appears structurally sound. With its desirable V8 engine and classic muscle car styling, this Nova could become an excellent restoration or street performance.